the third day of our trip to the Altai mountains. In the morning, after bidding farewell to Tsarskaya Lake and the beautiful Bia River, we headed to the Chemalsky district and managed to climb the Chert's Finger Peak. You can find a video of this epic climb in the description. Next, we had a thrilling boat ride along the Katun River and took a peaceful stroll to the Kamyshlinskiy Waterfall. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the Altai mountains. I hope that what you've seen so far and what you'll see next will inspire you to come back to this magical land. As we all know, it's better to experience it once than hear about it 100 times. So don't hesitate, don't miss out, and book your trip now. Let's go on an adventure.
Туалет. Туалет. Как у них все серьезно-то?
And now we are at the campsite, Tsarskaya Okhota, which means the Royal Hunt. We are preparing to take a ride on a motorboat along the beautiful Katun River to the Kamyshlinskiy Waterfall. Only after we had put on our life jackets did we realize the seriousness of the attraction. The Katun River is not like the Moscow River near the Kiev railway station. It is a wild and unpredictable forest river, indomitable and dangerous. Of course, at first it was a bit scary, as the water was wide and fast and cold. You see, if we had turned over, it could have been disastrous.
Первый раз в жизни будем справляться на рафте. Вторая великолепная смерть. Погнали. Это круто вообще. Нужно пересаживаться, водичку трогать никогда не нужно. Вещи берегите свои, телефоны, кепки.
To be honest, we were so impressed by our trip on the motorboat along the Katun River that we felt as if we had left all our excitement behind in the water. Therefore, we explored another famous attraction in Chemal, the Kamyshlinskiy Waterfall, in a rather relaxed manner. You know how it feels like eating spicy Korean food, like kimchi, first, and then trying to enjoy a bowl of porridge with butter right after. The bright taste of the kimchi completely overshadows the taste of the porridge. This is exactly what happened when we compared our ride along the Katun River to Kamyshlinskiy Waterfall. There is a beautiful legend behind the origin of the Kamyshlinskiy Waterfall. The daughter of the chieftain of the local tribe, La, fell in love with a shepherd named Kamysh. However, when her father found out about their relationship, he, in his haste, ordered Kamysh to be thrown off the cliff, as is often the case with parents. La rushed after her beloved, and both of them ended up at the bottom of the cliff. The father, realizing what he had done, pierced himself through the heart with a dagger on top of the cliff. And La and Kamysh became the waterfall that constantly flows down from that peak. And another version about the name of the waterfall, Kamyshlinskiy. This place has been regarded as a place of power since ancient times, where shamans, or Kams as they are known in Altai, gather to commune with spirits, or Kamlat as it is said in Altai. It is believed that the name Kamyshlinskiy originates from the word Kamlat. Certainly interesting stories, but reality, as often happens, turns out to be slightly more prosaic than we would prefer it to be. The waterfall was created in the 1930s when, in order to establish a sawmill, it was decided to build a watermill on the Kamyshlinskiy River. For this project, the riverbed was artificially reshaped so that there would be a large height difference along the course of the current. That's how the Kamyshlinskiy Waterfall came to be. And no beauty or shamans for you. I apologize if anyone was offended by this simple truth about life.
Алексей, а как вы говорили, я все пытаюсь вспомнить, не могу. То, что на Бии пороги, то на Катуне кто? Шхеры?
Шивера.
Шивера? А, Шиверы, да? Шивера.
Это незначительное препятствие.
А, Шиверы. Я просто раз теперь уж занялся рафтингом, хочу так немножко в тему погрузиться.
Пока только мотора.
We crossed the so-called Red Bridge and returned to the other side of the Katun, where the Tsarskaya Okhota camping site is located. Our super driver Sergey and his comfortable minibus were waiting for us there to take us to our accommodation. According to our guide Alexei, the Red Bridge is officially the longest suspension bridge over the Katun River. The internet provides some more detailed information which says it was built in 2009 and has a length of 241 meters. Tomorrow, 2 or 3 issues of the Altai Chronicles will be dedicated to the next day of our tour in the Chemal district of the Altai Mountains. As usual, this day promises to be very eventful. In the next few issues, I'd like to introduce you to our new accommodation, Arita, where we checked in late last night. We'll walk across the suspension bridge to Patmos Island, where there is a current church dedicated to St. John the Theologian. We will walk along the goat trail, leading us along the rocky shore of the Katun to an old hydroelectric power station, one of the first plants built in Russia. We will visit a wonderful and very unusual apiary. In the Valley of the Mountain Spirits, we will follow a path that winds along a picturesque stream and leads to the rocks where ancient people carved numerous petroglyphs. And at the end of the day, we will be able to admire the fantastic alien landscape at the upper reaches of the Katun River. All this will happen tomorrow, but for now, I want to thank you sincerely for watching our videos, liking them, leaving comments, and subscribing to our channel, Pictures from the Hinterland. Until then, see you again, my friends, on the magical web, under the romantic name of the Internet.